very well welcome here to Milan, Malpensa Terminal 2. Local time is 11:40. For your own safety and the safety of the cabin crew.